So, this lifestyle chip has 11 pins on the top and bottom with holes that you can solder your own thing to if you need to. The first two are power and ground, and then you have 8 pins, and then you have a directional pin which you don't really have to worry about for now. On the top is the same thing. So what you can do with this is, with the jumper the way it is, this is the input, this is the output. So all you have to do is wire this to the 3.3 volt of the Raspberry Pi, wire this up, these two power and ground to the 5 volt on the Raspberry Pi. And basically what this chip does is, it takes the 3.3 input from the Pi, converts it to 5 volt going out. And it can be anywhere from 1.65 volts to 5.5 volts. That's the limit. Now if you put this down there, this becomes input, this becomes output. So now you can plug in a 5 volt sensor, and then the output would become 3.3 volt. Very handy. Let me show you an example of this in use. So this is it wired up. So this is plugged into the 3 volt for input, and then these two I have plugged into GPIO pins 1 and 0. And in front, this is plugged into the 5 volt with these two plugged into my breadboard. So both of these are 5 volt outputs. This is a laser pointer, and this is RGB. It's 3 lights in one. So all I have to do is something like GPIO right 0 up, and the 5 volt light turns on. And if I turn on the laser pointer, whee! Oh man, this is going to be too cool. So I can now power 5 volt devices straight from the GPIOs without having to worry about killing the Pi, and all I have to do is a simple GPIO up and down business. So this is a very handy chip. It came with this kit, so I don't know how much it costs. I got it on Amazon, if that helps any. So there you have it, the 74lvc8t245. I got this from WaveShare, came with a kit, but very, very handy if you want to do simple voltage translation.